silver water down the glass. Every shadow feels alive now. Every memory comes back. Footsteps echo through the hallway. Whispers drift beneath the sky, and I hear the ghosts around me every time the thunder cries. They say I'm dreaming, they say I'm alone, but I can hear the voices calling me home. Voices in the rain, falling through the night again. Every whisper knows my name, like tears against the window pane. Voices in the rain, haunting every step I take. And even when the world goes dark, I still hear them in my heart. Empty playgrounds after midnight, streetlights glowing pale and blue. Every spirit lost forever always seems to find me too. In the silence of the storm clouds, in the flashing neon skies, I can hear forgotten stories hidden in the thunder cry. Ghost light shadows, broken dreams. Nothing here is what it seems. Rain keeps falling through eternity, and the dead still sing to me. Voices in the rain echo through the storm again. Every soul that disappeared still remains forever near. Voices in the rain, calling softly through the pain. And even when the stars all fade, their echoes never go away.